Hi there, students. To lock horns. To lock horns with somebody. Okay, this is an expression which means you get into an argument, you get into a dispute with somebody. Yeah, you get into a fight with them. There's a clash between the two of you. So I have this lawyer has locked horns with the town mayor on various occasions. They've come into conflict. Yeah. It's probably not a good idea to lock horns with your boss. Well, it depends. If he's wrong, he's wrong, but maybe he's not going to be very happy about it. The finance and department and the marketing department locked horns about the cost of the strategy. So this is to disagree with someone, yeah, to wrangle with them. So the two companies locked horns in a very ugly and long-lasting legal battle. Yeah, to come into conflict with somebody. Let's see. Let's think about the origin. So, a deer, a stag. Stags have these great big horns, and when they fight, they lock horns and they start pushing each other. So their horns are locked. Yeah, to lock means to fix in position. Yeah, you lock with a key. So if you lock horns, you are coming into conflict. Two animals have locked horns. Their horns are locked together, and they're pushing to see and shoving to see who is the strongest. This is a fight for supremacy. And this is the idea of this phrase or this metaphor, to lock horns with somebody. Yeah, if two groups lock horns, they argue about something. They have a dispute. Yeah, they become engaged in an argument. I guess in cricket, the batsman and the bowler lock horns. Yeah, they compete with each other, one to score runs and the other one to get him out. Yeah, but to have a disagreement with someone, to quarrel with someone. The union and the bosses have locked horns about conditions in the factory, or maybe they've locked horns about the measly, inadequate pay rise that the management have offered. Okay, you could also say to cross swords with somebody. Yeah, I've crossed swords with this person before. Yeah, I've come into conflict with him. That's like a sword fight. Yeah, so to lock horns with someone. The two lawyers locked horns about this issue, and the judge had to decide. Yeah, to become embroiled in a conflict. Yeah. During the meeting, the two different groups locked horns. Yeah, or they locked horns with each other. They disagreed. Maybe judges sometimes lock horns with the administration, where the administration is telling them to do something, and the judges say they're not going to do it because it's illegal. So take it in your mind an image perhaps of two bulls with their horns head to head, pushing each other for supremacy. Notice as well, to lock horns with somebody over something. Yeah, the lawyer did not want to lock horns with the judge over such a trifling and unimportant matter. Okay, so to lock horns, their horns are locked. As to formality, I'm going to give it 4, maybe 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but certainly don't go any further than that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To lock horns with somebody over something.